Ganpet awardee Girish Karnad has said 18th century Mysore ruler Tipu Sultan would have enjoyed the same status as of Maratha King Chhatrapati Shivaji had he been a Hindu and not a Muslim. This as the controversy continues over celebrating Tipu Sultan's birthday, a day after a VHP protester died accidentally after violence during an RSS-BJP called Bandh in Kodagu in Karnataka. Now, an RSS-backed historian newly appointed to the prestigious Indian Council of Historical Research or ICHR has said celebrating Tipu Sultan's birthday is akin to jihad.
The Congress state government in Karnataka knew that its decision to celebrate Tipu Sultan's birthday would have its detractors. But perhaps it is getting more criticism than it bargained for. Sample the view of this historian appointed by the central government.
What is your position as a historian, that he should not be commemorated as a historical figure?
Certainly not. It reflects that Congress is trying to promote jihad.
Writer Girish Karnad has a very strong and very different opinion.
I think that's ridiculous. I mean, what's the connection? He funded more than 300 temples here. What Tipu Sultan did for Karnataka is just extraordinary. And I admire him, and certainly one must admire him.
Girish Karnad's admiration of Tipu Sultan and his suggestion that Bengaluru's airport be named after Tipu instead of city founder Kempe Gowda made him a target of anger. He has since clarified his comments, but the hostility continues.
Kempe Gowda ji, हमारा कर्नाटक का नाडा प्रभु है. वो नाडा प्रभु का हमारा भाव का धक्के आ गए. वो गिरीश कर्नाड के खंडन करता. वो गिरीश कर्नाड साहित्य नहीं है. केवल सिद्धरामैया का चेला है.
Anger also over the death on Tuesday of a VHP worker during a bandh on the Tipu issue called by the BJP in Kodagu district. The police say he fell accidentally to his death while running from a lathi charge.
No, 100% it is a murder. It is a purely communal clashes. BJP is demanding the CBI inquiry or the judicial inquiry.
There is no need to order for judicial inquiry. I have already ordered to inquire into the incident by Regional Commissioner of Mysore region.
The right wing remains angry with the decision of the Congress government in Karnataka to officially celebrate Tipu Sultan's birthday. The Congress sticks by its stand that he was a progressive, secular freedom fighter whose birthday deserved to be celebrated. With Nazir and Alphonse, Maya Sharma in Bengaluru for NDTV.